Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, we will be doing a fire alarm collection of 2025. So, let's get started. Here's my Firelight MS2 panel. Here's the inside of it. Next up, we have my Firelight BG12, Firelight BG10, Silent Night BG12, Notifier BG12, Notifier BG10. That one's with the key, by the way. Notifier BG10 with the hex key. Even though it doesn't have a hex, it just takes a regular screw. Phillips head screw. Notifier BNG 1R. There we go. Siemens HMS-D. Siemens XMS-D. Siemens UEC MCS chime strobe. Siemens Siemens U-HNH-MCS-W mechanical horn strobe, pretty rare. UHNS 17. Siemens UMHU MCS horn strobe. Siemens ENS, Siemens AS, Siemens LED speaker strobe, Cerberus Paratronics speaker strobe. This is a Wheelock one, but it's rebranded by Cerberus Paratronics, like the World Trade Center had. Faraday mechanical horn strobe, 6227 is the model number of it. System sensor, mass, non-ADA. System sensor, Spectraler Classic, ceiling mount speaker strobe. System sensor, CH241575, chime strobe. System sensor, P241575. This is the first gen, by the way. System sensor, Spectraler Classic. The model number is P1224MC. This is a third gen. System sensor, P2R first gen. System sensor, P2R second gen. System sensor, SR first gen. System sensor SW with the blue strobe lens, and this is a second gen as well. System sensor P2WK second gen. System sensor PC2W first gen. System sensor Spectraler Advance speaker strobe alert with yellow strobe lens. System sensor SRL without fire lettering. System sensor P2RL. System sensor P2WL. System sensor HWL, low frequency sounder. System sensor PC2W LED. System sensor P2R LED. Simplex T-bar dual action. Simplex T-bar single action. Simplex 9838 horn on a 4903 strobe plate. Simplex 4903 strobe plate. Simplex 4903 9219 mechanical horn strobe. Simplex 4903 9252 electronic horn strobe. Simplex model number, where is that? 4904 9137 remote strobe. Simplex True Alert horn strobe. This is smart sync only, and it is a 4903 9429. And this one here is a 4903 9426. This one does free run and smart sync. This one just does smart sync. This is a 4906 9101, and this one is a smart sync only. Here we have the Wheelock 7002T24. My two Wheelock MTs. First gen Wheelock AS. This is the first gen because it has a sharp curve. Unlike the other ones, this is more of a curve than a sharp curve. So this one's the first gen AS. Right here we have the Wheelock ASWP and another Wheelock ASWP. Wheelock AS ceiling mount horn strobe. Wheelock AS ceiling mount horn strobe in white. The Wheelock ASWP in white. Wheelock AH remote horn. My two Wheelock NS's. My white my white Viking NS. Wheelock RSS remote strobe. And Wheelock ZRS remote strobe. Wheelock ZNS ceiling mount horn strobe. Wheelock ZNS horn strobe. Broken. The strobe is gone. I cut the strobe tube off because it was a broken strobe. Wheelock Exceeder horn strobe. Wheelock CH90 chime strobe. Wheelock CH70 chime strobe. Wheelock sync module. Gentex GMS. Gentex SHG in white. Gentex GOS. Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe. Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe. Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe in white. Edwards 270 SPO. Edwards Genesis horn strobe. Edwards Genesis remote strobe. HC Bell. HC 1120 Bell. System sensor is 2400 smoke detector. System sensor I3 smoke detector. I believe this is a Family Guard smoke detector. Doesn't work. Kitty carbon monoxide detector has no batteries. Kitty carbon monoxide detector with a 10-year sealed battery. Let's test it. Here we have a First Alert carbon monoxide detector. First Alert smoke detector. Has no battery in it. And another First Alert smoke detector. And right here we have I believe, I forgot what this one's called, but here, let me check. I don't know how to say this right, but usedelectric.inc. Its model number is USI-5204. This is a smoke detector. Next up, we have the Kitty smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Doesn't work anymore, unfortunately. And a Kitty smoke only detector. Well, guys, anyway, This was it for my fire alarm collection of 2025. And I hope you guys have a happy new year. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be in 2026. Peace out.